Hello, this is Ian Godfrey with ARIA Solutions. This is the third video in a series of demonstrations of the Simplicity connector for Genesys running in Salesforce. In this scenario, we're going to look at an outbound call. Genesys Outbound is running, and an agent's running in preview mode. If an agent selects a Get Next record, it's going to pop the case in which the record was created for, and include all of the phone controls that an agent requires. It will also allow the agent to see any additional data that may be attached to the campaign to help them with scripting or wording about the campaign. It will also set the focus within the console to the correct case or to the correct item within Salesforce that needs to be called. Once dialed, any of the interaction tabs can be written back to the Genesys record to show that the case was closed, updated, debt collected, sale won or lost. As with all of the other activities with the JavaScript API, information can always be updated from Salesforce to Genesys, as well as synchronization between the additional widgets, including Omni within Genesys.